Welcome to All American Refinishing educational video. My name is Art and I am Director of Operation for a company that's been in business since 2000. Are you aware that you can refinish as opposed to replace? Well, my job is to try to educate you on that process. A company, again, that's been in business for 20 years, we have offered and saved over 90% for customers who are looking into remodel their bathroom, not aware that there's a process that we can save them over 90%. During those 20 years, we have saved a considerable amount of money as opposed to remodeling bathrooms, kitchens, and floors. What is refinishing? It's an epoxy that we apply over any existing surface. It usually consists of 3 or 4 hours to do the work. Downtime for the customer is only 1 day, and they can use the product immediately the following day. The longevity of the product will last a minimum of 7 to 10 years. If you take care of it with no aggressive cleaners, this process will last you more than 10, 15 years. Thank you. Next video, we will give you tips on choosing reglazing options on all your existing surfaces and tips on choosing a reputable reglazing company as well. Look at our website, which is www.allamericanrefinishing.net, or call us at 954-527-2725. Thank you.